Hello, it's a blender, it's a portable blender, and today I'm going to repair it. This blender has some problem. At first, here is power button, but the main issue is water leakage because this thread is loosened and it's not stay tight. When I try to tighten this thing, now it's tight and now it's loose again. This outer shell cannot hold this thing tightly. This is the main problem, and that's why the blender is not usable right now. So today I will try to repair this thing, but I don't know how I will do this. I have one idea. I tie it with cable tie and it was work, but it looks bad. So now I'll try to do something that is looks good and works well too. I searched something in my local shop, any metal ring fit in here. I found nothing. I even searched metal bracelet, also found nothing fit in here. So I have to make something now, and I have this thing. I have this nickel strip. I bought it for making battery pack, but now I will try to make a ring for this blender. But I have no spot welder, so I will make this with my soldering iron. Maybe it works, maybe it will not. Let's see what we can do. Of course, it's a oversized ring, but I will overlap the strip like this, you see, because I will use my soldering iron and I will use some solder in between the strip, so the strip will attach together. I take its measurement, then it will stay like this. What's next? Put some soldering paste. This part is okay. Now we do the same thing in here. At first apply some soldering paste, then some solder. Now I'm going to attach this like this. I have to hold it like this and apply some heat like this. Made mistakes. Not so easy. Looks like it's okay, and we can check it now. Now we have to clean it, then try to put in our blender juicer. Remove the excess solder blob. I think now it's smooth enough to work with. We have to put it here, but I have to make it slightly bigger. In light better than soldering iron in this case. I think I have to open this first, then I will try put the bracelet. Okay, this is our base where I'm trying to put this thing. I don't know, I think we made it. Try to smooth this joint. I think I have to put some solder in here. For this I have to remove it, then put some paste, solder it like this, and I also have to do the same thing in here in the joint. Much better. Finally. Now I have to put everything back together and see if it's work or not. Put the power button in right position here. Now it looks fantastic. Then the main unit like this. This washer will be here like this. Then the cover. No, at first here, then here. The charger put in right position maybe. Check. No. I think after I tight all of the screw, it will be aligned in right position. So screw them all. One screw, second screw, third screw, fourth screw. Now it looks okay. Finally, it looks like this. And this is fantastic. It looks better than factory. It looks better than new one. So now we will check, is it waterproof or not. I put some water and see, it doesn't leak, not a drop of water. Now I'm going to put this date and see can I blend this with this blender. Too much water, I have to reduce some water. I'll try with this small amount of water. Oh, it's not working with charger plugged in. Okay, so I can blend my date with it and no water is in here. It is waterproof, the switch is in place, everything works fine. So our today's mission is successful. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. My channel is new and I need your support.